So what do I have here? AMG GTR Roadster. That's new. Matte blue. Oh, roof in operation. It's really fast. I like this blue with yellow caliper theme. Swedish flag. Color of the Swedish flag. It's amazing that I caught the roof in operation. It must be like the only guy. People don't understand they shouldn't walk in front of the camera, so I jump in front of them instead. Anyway, AMG GTR Roadster. That's the first. This thing looks sporty. Let's see how low it is. That sucker is low. Yeah, there you can see the facelift. The headlights is a bit different than a non-facelift. Now I can see the difference. The blinkers look somewhat different. Now I got to see that in action as well. But honestly, I don't know, maybe I just take a SL65 and have a real roof and a V12 that's might be even faster at speed. I kinda like how the yellow calipers match the GTR logo, and just the fact that the name is GTR. It's like a lol to all GTR fans. So I think we have had a look at the world premiere of the GTR Convertible. AMG GTR Convertible, that is. $1,660 kilos. Okay.